Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case it's your first time here, please consider subscribing, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you and may God bless you. So guys, today I was going to Naivas supermarket because guys, they usually have offers on cooking oil. Like for now, I had gone to get cooking oil with for whereby 5 liters go for 11.99, and it is usually 1700 or 16 something. So when they have offers is when I get the cooking oil from there. Otherwise, I just had to stroll around and get some things and just check out the place because guys, why not? And I was already there. So guys, if you love my video, please subscribe, and in case it's your first time here, please give me a like and please subscribe. I'm on the road to 500 subscribers. So from the supermarket and we are heading to the market. So let's continue and consider subscribing. Boda boda, matatu and tuk-tuk are the common means of transport to navigate in our town here in Thika. I'm on the way to the market. I had to go to get some house items, like basic items like tomato, onion and potatoes that will last us for just 1 week. So guys, come with me. welcome to my home area, and if you do fall in love with my video, please subscribe and like the video. I really appreciate you for watching to this far. So guys, please my people, please subscribe with much love from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate you for watching to this point. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, welcome, and kindly consider subscribing to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. So guys, for those who are joining us for the first time, I'm Sharon Zack Kenya, and please subscribe to motivate us and to just keep us going, guys. And remember to like the video. So guys, in today's video we are going to be doing motivation cleaning, and guys, I'm going to be taking you along. Hope you fall in love with our today's video, and in case or if you do fall in love with our video, please subscribe and like the video. So guys, today I'm going to be cleaning the curtains, and I'm just going to be doing general cleaning in the house. So in case you fall in love with our video, please do some motivational cleaning into your house too, because guys, it's really encouraging. So guys, hope you fall in love with our video and subscribe. Welcome all to my video. So guys, I'm going to begin by removing the curtains, not the curtains. I'm going to be cleaning only the shears, and I will be cleaning the walls too, and I'm just going to be taking you guys along in every cleaning activity that I'm going to be doing today around the house. Please stick along, and please hit the subscription button or the like button, and may God bless you as you do that. So guys, let's get to work. Guys, it is a beautiful morning, and that is the view from my window. People are already cultivating. It is almost a rainy season, and very soon you will see people have planted, like this first farm here, this one here, the owner have already planted, and the other one is plowing. So guys, that's my home area. Yeah, so guys, let's get to work. So first, I'm beginning with removing this shear. I'm only going to be cleaning the shears of the house, and I'm going to be removing these shears, because I want to interchange these shears with the ones which are in the sitting room. So guys, I'm removing these ones and the ones on the sitting room, so that I may clean them and interchange them in a way that this white one which is in the bedroom will go to the living room, to the sitting room, and that the other one will come to the bedroom. Yeah, that's how I do it, because I don't have a variety of shears, so that's how I do it. The other shear is this one in my kids' bedroom, and yes, I'm going to be removing it too for cleaning. So guys, let's get to work. So guys, this is my ring light, and currently you see the situation it is in. I don't know what have happened in here. It is not holding up, as in it have just become weak. So I don't know how I'm going to do my work today. You see, let me see how I'm going to take this video, because life goes on. I don't know, I will sit down and check it later, but for now, let me see how I'm going to do this, whether I'm going to be working with one hand today. So guys, let me remove this curtain, this shear, for cleaning. so fam. If you're still here, please subscribe and give this video a like. Hope you are enjoying this video. Comment down below, leave a genuine comment, and just suggest on what kind of video you'd like to see me do. Hope you will fall in love with my content and be a part of this YouTube channel just by commenting and genuine comment. And yeah, may God bless you as you do so. So guys, I'm here cleaning from the outside tap, and subscribe so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a video. Love you so much, and please subscribe. Motivate me as I do this content.